Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Had another request from Alex. Did one on Jushi. He left a comment. One on Jushi and Air Wellness. So here's the other video. Jushi you can already find in the library. Air Wellness, ticker AYRWF. As you can see, this one trades over the counter. So I always Fidelity, you don't have to pay a commission, last I knew. TD, Ameritrade, and Schwab, last I knew you did have to pay a commission. It's $6.99, so just to save you some money there, check out Fidelity. There could be some other no-fee platforms out there as well, but that's the only one that I know of. So since they're over the counter, you can't buy them on Robinhood. I'm not sure about Webull. I don't have Webull anymore, but just stating that fact. But back to Air Wellness, great ratings on this one, showing it as a strong buy. Sometimes they'll get more of an analysis, but price, since it's MJ, probably not going to get that, but fast-paced momentum stock Air Wellness is still trading at a bargain. This is a little bit older article, but couldn't find a whole lot on this particular one. But momentum investing is essentially an exception to the idea buying low and selling high. Investors following the style of investing are usually not interested in betting on cheap stocks and waiting long for them to recover. Instead, they believe that buying high and selling higher is the way to make far more money in lesser time. Everyone likes betting on fast-moving trending stocks, but it isn't easy to determine the right entry point. These stocks often lose momentum when their future growth potential fails to justify their swelled-up valuation. In that phase, investors find themselves invested in shares that have limited to no upside or even a downside. So betting on a stock just by looking at the traditional momentum parameters could be risky at times. A safer approach could be investing in bargain stocks with recent price momentum, while the Zacks Momentum Style Score helps identify great momentum stocks by paying close attention to trends in a stock's price or earnings. Air Wellness is one of several great candidates that made it through the screen. While there is numerous reasons why the stock is a great choice, here are the most vital ones. A dash of recent price movement. Momentum reflects a growing interest of investors in a stock with a 4-week price change of 59%. Stock and the company is certainly well positioned in this regard. With any stock spike in price for a short term, it takes a real momentum player to deliver positive returns for a longer time frame. Air meets this criterion too, as the stock gained 11% over the past 12 weeks. Moreover, the momentum fast-paced, as the stock currently has a beta of 3.16. This indicates that the stock moves 216% higher than the market in either direction. So it's got a momentum score of B. In addition to the favorable momentum score, the upward trend in earnings estimate revisions has helped earnings, Zacks, and there's some ratings. We'll go over some more here at the end, but feel free to pause and go over that. And moving on over here to Reddit. 5 months ago, no up-to-date information. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 0.889. Share your ideas. You can always share your ideas in the comments. New article, MJ stock to buy in June. Close decreased 10%. Price target updated. And over here on tip ranks, showing it as a moderate buy with a big upside to $5.54, high of $11.16, low of $1. So crazy ratings on this one. Just to kind of see what it's done over the past year, this was a $5 stock, $5+, and it's just been going down like crazy ever since then. So if you're looking to get into this one, definitely now would be the time. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. I have a little bit of this one. These prices might have to pick up a couple more. I mean, you can pick up 10-20 shares for pretty cheap, so you could pick up 100 shares for under $100, so it just depends how much you're wanting to put into it. So just kind of interesting, this one. Like I said, I couldn't find a whole lot on it, but what I did we already covered, but I'll do some more digging on this one as well, see if there's anything else that I can find on it. I mean, it's got great ratings, good future projections, so we'll see what this one does. And I'll link some other videos in the description. I talk a lot about MJ here on the channel, so I'll link that in the description as well. And if there's any other stocks out there you want me to take a look at and make a video about, I'd be happy to do that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.